Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through how to set up and customize the horizontal ticker section. Alright, let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the horizontal ticker section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Templates, then locate the horizontal ticker section. To enable or disable this feature, head over to Theme Settings, then open Growth Widgets. Once it's enabled, return to Templates and select Horizontal Ticker. To add the section, click Add Section, then search for Horizontal. You'll see the horizontal ticker appear. Simply click it to add it to your page. Here, you'll be able to customize all of the available settings. Let's start with the display options. Show On lets you choose where the ticker appears. Desktop, visible only on desktop or laptop devices. Mobile, visible only on mobile devices. Both, displayed across all devices. You can upload background images to enhance the visual appeal of the ticker. Enable Show Overlay if you'd like to display an overlay on top of the image. With Image Overlay Opacity, you can control how light or dark that overlay appears. Next, choose the scroll direction. When left is selected, the ticker content moves continuously from right to left across the screen, which is ideal for standard reading flow and product highlights. When right is selected, the content scrolls from left to right, creating a reversed motion that can help draw attention or fit specific design preferences. You can also adjust the scrolling speed to make the ticker move faster or slower. Enable Pause on Hover if you want the ticker to stop scrolling when customers hover over it. When disabled, the ticker will continue auto-playing. With Desktop Gap, you can control the spacing between items on desktop screens. Similarly, Mobile Gap lets you adjust spacing for mobile devices. To match your store's branding, choose from multiple color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom, where you can create your own color palette. You can fine-tune spacing with padding controls. Top padding adjusts the space above the content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, Custom, where you manually set a value. With custom top padding, you can enter an exact value anywhere from 0 pixels up to 100 pixels. Bottom padding works the same way, adjusting the space below the content. Custom bottom padding also allows precise control from 0 pixels to 100 pixels. You can freely add different content blocks, such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with Text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, Title, and more. If you're using testimonials, here's what you can customize. Control the star rating to highlight customer satisfaction and build trust. Customize the testimonial text to showcase real customer feedback. Upload an author image to add a personal and credible touch to each testimonial. Add or edit the author's name to clearly identify who the testimonial is from. To match your store's branding, choose from multiple color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or select custom background to create your own color palette. And that's it. Your horizontal ticker section is now fully set up. By customizing it to match your brand and sales strategy, you can create urgency, boost conversions, and keep your store engaging and dynamic. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.